In this video, we will discuss the science behind sleep, why it is important, and how much sleep humans really need. So without wasting further time, let's dive into the video. Sleep is an essential function that allows your body and mind to recharge, leaving you refreshed and alert when you wake up. Healthy sleep also helps the body remain healthy and stave off diseases. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly. This can impair your abilities to concentrate, think clearly, and process memories. Most adults require at least 7 hours of nightly sleep. Children and teenagers need substantially more sleep, particularly if they are younger than 5 years of age. Work schedules, day-to-day stressors, a disruptive bedroom environment, and medical conditions can all prevent us from receiving enough sleep. A healthy diet and positive lifestyle habits can help ensure an adequate amount of sleep each night. But for some, chronic lack of sleep may be the first sign of a sleep disorder. The science behind sleep. An internal body clock regulates your sleep cycle, controlling when you feel tired and ready for bed or refreshed and alert. This clock operates on a 24-hour cycle known as the circadian rhythm. After waking up from sleep, you'll become increasingly tired throughout the day. These feelings will peak in the evening leading up to bedtime. This sleep drive, also known as sleep-wake homeostasis, may be linked to adenosine, an organic compound produced in the brain. Adenosine levels increase throughout the day as you become more tired, and then the body breaks down this compound during sleep. Light also influences the circadian rhythm. The brain contains a special region of nerve cells known as the hypothalamus, and a cluster of cells in the hypothalamus called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which processes signals when the eyes are exposed to natural or artificial light. These signals help the brain determine whether it is day or night. As natural light disappears in the evening, the body will release melatonin, a hormone that induces drowsiness. When the sun rises in the morning, the body will release the hormone known as cortisol, that promotes energy and alertness. Stages of sleep. Once we fall asleep, our bodies follow a sleep cycle divided into 4 stages. The first 3 stages are known as non-rapid eye movement sleep, and the final stage is known as rapid eye movement sleep. Stage 1, NREM. This first stage marks the transition between wakefulness and sleep and consists of light sleep. Muscles relax, and your heart rate, breathing, and eye movements begin to slow down, as do your brain waves, which are more active when you are awake. Stage 1 typically lasts several minutes. Stage 2, NREM. This second NREM sleep stage is characterized by deeper sleep, as your heart rate and breathing rates continue slowing down and the muscles become more relaxed. Eye movements will cease and your body temperature will decrease. Apart from some brief moments of higher frequency electrical activity, brain waves also remain slow. Stage 2 is typically the longest of the 4 sleep stages. Stage 3, NREM. This stage plays an important role in making you feel refreshed and alert the next day. Heartbeat, breathing, and brainwave activity all reach their lowest levels, and the muscles are as relaxed as they will be. This stage will be longer at first, and decrease in duration throughout the night. Final stage, REM. The first REM stage will occur about 90 minutes after you fall asleep. As the name suggests, your eyes will move back and forth rather quickly under your eyelids. Breathing rate, heart rate, and blood pressure will begin to increase. Dreaming will typically occur during REM sleep, and your arms and legs will become paralyzed. It's believed this is intended to prevent you from physically acting out on your dreams. The duration of each REM sleep cycle increases as the night progresses. Numerous studies have also linked REM sleep to memory consolidation, the process of converting recently learned experiences into long-term memories. The duration of the REM stage will decrease as you age, causing you to spend more time in the NREM stages. These 4 stages will repeat cyclically throughout the night until you wake up. For most people, the duration of each cycle will last about 90 to 120 minutes. NREM sleep constitutes about 75% to 80% of each cycle. You may also wake up briefly during the night but not remember the next day. These episodes are known as WW stages. Myths and facts about sleep. How much sleep you need changes with age. Experts recommend that school-age children get at least 9 hours a night, and teens get between 8 and 10. Most adults need at least 7 hours or more of sleep each night. There are many misunderstandings about sleep. One is that adults need less sleep as they get older. This isn't true. Older adults still need the same amount. But sleep quality can get worse as you age. Older adults are also more likely to take medications that interfere with sleep. Another sleep myth is that you can catch up on your days off. Researchers are finding that this largely isn't the case. If you have one bad night's sleep and take a nap, or sleep longer the next night, that can benefit you. But if you have a week's worth of getting too little sleep, the weekend isn't sufficient for you to catch up. That's not healthy behavior. In a study from 2019, researchers looked at people with consistently deficient sleep. They compared them to sleep-deprived people who got to sleep in on the weekend. Both groups of people gained weight with lack of sleep. Their body's ability to control blood sugar levels also got worse. The weekend catch-up sleep didn't actually help. On the flip side, more sleep isn't always better. For adults, if you're sleeping more than 9 hours a night and you still don't feel refreshed, there may be some underlying medical issue. The importance of getting enough sleep. For most adults, at least 7 hours of sleep each night is needed for proper cognitive and behavioral functions. An insufficient amount of sleep can lead to serious repercussions. Some studies have shown sleep deprivation leaves people vulnerable to attention lapses, reduced cognition, delayed reactions, and mood shifts. It's also been suggested that people can develop a sort of tolerance to chronic sleep deprivation. Even though their brains and bodies struggle due to lack of sleep, they may not be aware of their own deficiencies because less sleep feels normal to them. Additionally, lack of sleep has been linked to a higher risk for certain diseases and medical conditions. These include obesity, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, poor mental health, and early death. In summary, sleep is essential for well-being. The notion of sacrificing sleep for extended work hours is misguided. Adequate sleep is not a luxury, but a necessity. Understanding sleep stages, debunking myths, and recognizing its impact on health emphasizes the importance of prioritizing sufficient sleep. Let's dispel the myth of less sleep, more work, and embrace the significance of a good night's rest. That's all for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to OptiHealth for more captivating health-related content. As always, thanks for joining us on this journey, and until next time, stay cool, stay healthy, and stay curious.